In today's video, I'll teach you how to register for AAMI account online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in this link online.aami.com.au. Press enter. Once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of AAMI. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is click on this option, My Account, that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be led to your account interface. You'll be able to find two options over here. You'll be able to find the option for login and register. If you already have the account, click on the option login. But if you do not have the account and if you want to register for your account, click on this option register. Now you'll be redirected to the new tab. From here, you'll be able to register for your AAMI account. All you have to do is enter these credentials that you can see on the screen. First of all, provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. After you do that, enter the first name. Likewise, enter the last name. Now you'll have to select the date of birth over here. First of all, enter the month. Now what you have to do is enter the day. Now enter the year. Now once you do that, what you have to do is enter the phone number over here. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Once you do that, enter the postcode. Now after you provide all these informations, what you have to do is click on the register option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the activation link will be sent to your email. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com. Press enter. Now Gmail has been opened. You can see over here you'll receive the email from AAMI. Click on it. Now in this email you'll be able to find this option for complete setup now. Click on it. Now what you have to do is set your password over here. Simply create a password for yourself. Your password must be at least 8 characters long. It must contain at least one number, one lowercase and one capital letter. So create the password accordingly. Now after you create the password, click on the confirm option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here a verification code will be sent to the mobile number that you provided. Right now I do not have the Australian mobile number, so I provided the incorrect mobile number over here. That's why I'm not receiving the verification code. But you'll receive the verification code. Simply enter that code over here. After you enter the verification code, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, your account will be activated and you'll be able to log in to your account. So like this, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. So that is how you create AAMI account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.